Oh my God, I just made $10,000. It is 3:15 and we have a few people that are gonna be the mastermind at my house right now. I'm doing a little bit of work, finalizing my top level mastermind as well as doing a few things with our sales team. We're about to go pick up some costumes for the event. You'll see that later. Get inside the $13 million house on the water in La Jolla, California. Then we're gonna meet up with everybody that's gonna be there tonight. We're having dinner with about 30 people at a steakhouse in downtown San Diego. And then the actual event starts tomorrow. We have like, I think 60 people total coming in from literally all around the world to meet Jeff and I in San Diego. We have a few speakers here as well. Both of them have built multiple 8-figure companies. And we're gonna be teaching everyone everything from personal branding, credit, how to secure credit cards internationally, how to get millions of dollars at 0%, how to get lines of credit from the bank, scaling companies, systemizing where to find and train virtual assistants, how to get past 7 figures to 8 figures, and a bunch of other stuff as well. And then in addition to that, we have a yacht that we're going on tomorrow, a little yacht tour around San Diego on the bay. And then Sunday we're doing some paintball. And apparently Jeff is like some freaking paintball guru, and he's been literally telling me that I should be scared every single day. And if I'm being honest with you guys, I am a little terrified to play him in paintball because he's like super aggressive about it. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, super excited to show you guys the whole mastermind. We're gonna try to film as much as humanly possible. Obviously some of it I won't be releasing to the public because these people all paid 4 figures in order to come here. So it wouldn't be fair to them, but a lot of it you guys are gonna see, and I'm excited to share it with you. I'll see you guys soon. What's going on, guys? We're walking into Party City right now to get some festivities, including some costumes for the mastermind this weekend. I'm gonna be Santa Claus, Jeff's gonna be an elf, and Justin's gonna be a reindeer. Let's see if we can find that in Party City. Now tell me that this on Jeff would not look awesome. Anyway. Oh my God. Visualization. Jeff's a small, right? Should we get him a large just in case? Is this Jeff's size? That's probably too big, right? Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer for Jeff. And the elf costume. Oh no, wait. Elf costume for Jeff. Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer for Justin. And of course, being the leader of the pack and the most successful, I'm gonna be Santa Claus. What's going on, guys? Welcome to the Scaling with Systems and Financial Independence Accelerator Mastermind. We're super stoked to have you guys here. We just pulled up to the house in San Diego. Check it out. This is in La Jolla, San Diego. $13 million house on the water. This is the view. Pretty unreal, to be honest with you. It's a little gloomy outside, but that's all good. Tomorrow, Saturday and Sunday is going to be like the main mastermind itself. That's when we drop in value. Jeff has a bunch of his students here. I have a bunch of my students here as well. But tonight we're pretty much just networking and meeting some of our clients, some of the people. I overheard Jeff talking about some guy that's doing real estate using literally 0%. So I'm actually excited to talk to him. But networking with some of the people that have been following us for like a year plus, and that we've been actually talking to them online and never actually met them in person. So yeah. I think we're pretty excited for that. That'll be tonight. Then we have dinner with just the people that are staying in the house at SDK, a steakhouse downtown San Diego. It's gorgeous over there. There's gonna be like 30 plus people for that. And then tomorrow morning, 8 a.m. starts the actual mastermind. There's 60 plus people here. We got yachts, we got paintball, we got elf costumes, reindeer costumes, champagne,
raisins. I don't think I picked them up.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Yeah,
raisins, maybe. And yeah, so we're super stoked to have you guys all here. The rest of this video is gonna be pretty much Jeff and I's first mastermind. We sold out in this in what, 24 hours?
Yeah, very quick. I didn't promote it at all.
No, it's actually insane how powerful your personal brand can be if you provide value. So stoked to show you guys what's to come. So sit back, relax, drink a glass of champagne.
And go get me some raisins.
We'll see you guys soon.
worry about posting so much on your business page and all that stuff. If you look at my business page, it doesn't have a whole lot of activity on it. So technically, Facebook does favor the algorithm, but it's the 80-20 rule, so I don't care.
Draw me a fucking diagram on how I'm supposed to deliver this for $50 fucking.
Not getting on the phone call with Sally Pants 69 to talk about her dog.
Hey you guys, this is your girl Erica. I came out to San Diego, California to see Ravi and also see Jeff Seckinger, see what they were talking about today in their mastermind. There's about 50, 60 people here, all kind of, we got duck truck owners, we got e-com guys, we got people coming out of Canada, we got people flying over from other cities and states, and I think it's important for you to get out here and talk with people, kind of see, elevate yourself. And how do you elevate yourself? It's who you spend your time with, what you're talking about, what you're listening to, and I think it's important to get in tune with how can we sharpen our businesses for 2020, regardless of recession or not. Sharpen your business, sharpen who you hang out with, and it'll do nothing but help you grow. So I'm glad they put this event together, and if they do another one, I highly recommend you go to it.
It's honestly great so far. Day one's in the wraps. Just learned everything from time management to branding to systematizing, getting organized, getting your mindset right, and honestly, the amount of value that these guys provide is second to none. There's a reason that I came out here. I flew from New York to the East Coast. We got people all over from the UK, from India, other countries, and you know, they really do what they say, and they take action on everything, and they provide tremendous value. So if you're looking to kind of learn more, or you don't know, you need some advice on business, mindset, and scaling systems, and also credit, Jeff Seckinger and Ravi Abuvala are your guys.
My name's Justin Saunders, and my experience here has been phenomenal. I personally worked with Jeff and Ravi both to help me scale my own agency, my own businesses, my own personal brands, and honestly say, if you're looking to get to that next level, these are the guys that you want to be focused with. I mean, just take a look around all these people that they've been able to bring here. It's just been a game changer. The amount of people, the type of insight, the type of connections that you can have here. It's been a great time, and we're looking forward to, I guess we're going to the yacht next, so we'll see.
Just wrapped up day 2 of FIA and SWS Mastermind. We are at the corner of the house right now, overlooking the pool and ocean. And it's been an epic, epic weekend. Yesterday we had a packed day of value. We hopped on a yacht, we got dinner, and then today we had an even more packed day of value with 2 guest speakers. We just handed out like 12 awards to our students that are doing even up to 6 figures a month. They've gotten multiple 6 figures in funding, and they're just crushing in all areas of life. Handed those out, and now we're about to go play paintball. But it was an epic weekend. We got Santa here. I mean, look at this guy. Ho, 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 ho. No, but seriously, this event was amazing. I mean, we do all of our coaching virtually, so it's super, super cool to connect with people in person and actually meet them in person, and also help them facilitate new relationships and new networks. So it's been an epic weekend. Thank you so much for tuning in.
$1 million!